Now when we are using these cover crops, there are some of the, either these can be the legumes or these can be some grasses. इसमें दो चीज़ें हम इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं, हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, either the legumes or you can use some grasses. They are also, if you see, in ecosystem is not just what we see here, it can be on a very atomic scale also. So every root branch, it's itself an ecosystem. It will be whole ecosystem supporting your diverse soil biodiversity also. And in the soil biodiversity, when we talk, it's not only microorganisms, the fungi, bacteria, but it will also encompass your detritivores. Yes, see this diagram. Now this is summary of all the benefits which we can have if we integrate, if we are incorporating the mulching into our agronomic practices. ठीक है. So first benefit, देखो mulch क्या होता है यहाँ पे, either you can use the residue of any crop, ठीक है, you can also use some cover crops. Cover crops also we'll discuss in a little detail. ठीक है. क्या क्या यूज हो सकता है यहाँ पे याद रखिए. It could be the animal waste, it could be any kind of organic matter, even the from the kitchen, whatever the peels of the fruits, ठीक है. So whatever leftovers are there from the food waste, even that can be used. Even bioplastics can also be used as the mulch cover. Apart from that, you can also use some cover crops. So when we are using all of this, we are essentially, what we are doing, we are trying to create a layer over the soil. Purpose is not to leave the soil bare, because when soil is bare, it is more vulnerable to erosion. Wind, water, whenever it's coming, it's flowing and it's not having any barrier, it will easily wash away the top layer and there will be more erosion. Now to prevent that, we need to ensure our soil is having some form of obstacle in the path of wind and water. So there we integrate this mulching. ठीक है. Now what will happen when we are using all of this? It's kind of biomass, organic matter. Eventually it's all going to degrade. So what will happen? First thing, it is going to add your organic matter in the form of humus. So हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल डाल सकते हैं. Straw, the leftovers of your crops, whatever, if there is any crop residue also, that can also be added here. ठीक है, वो भी ऐड कर सकते हैं हम. So first thing what it's doing, it is helping in humus formation, and that way it's restoring your soil organic carbon and it's preventing its escape. Greenhouse gases कम हो रही हैं. Second, what it's doing, how it is suppressing the weeds. Now this is essential to understand. Like I told you, cover crops we are using here. ठीक है. तो cover crops में हाँ जी ठीक है, thank you. Now when we are using these cover crops, there are some of the, either these can be the legumes or these can be some grasses. इसमें दो चीज़ें हम इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं, हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, either the legumes or you can use some grasses. We'll come to that also कि which one in particular. Let's understand the concept first. ठीक है. When we are using these, their roots, one first mechanism is that their roots, if they are deep and fibrous, that will also eventually decompose the lower part of the root and that will add your soil organic carbon. ठीक है, first thing. Now second thing is very important और ये मेंस में भी आया था. How many of you understand what is allelopathy? It will use allelopathy to ensure that your weeds do not grow there. This first one is soil organic. This is now how it will help in suppression of a weed. Weed suppression में help करने के लिए it's going to release some toxic chemicals. The roots of these plants, they are known to release some toxic chemicals in the soil. ठीक है? And those chemicals, they will be having negative impact on the growth of the weeds. They will not allow some of the weeds, they cannot tolerate these toxic chemicals. So that is why eventually it's going to suppress their growth and we will get rid of the weeds. Is it clear? एलिलोपैथी हमारी कौन से उसमें आता है बायोटिक इंटरेक्शंस में? नेगेटिव तो है. I'll give you options. Amensalism, commensalism, mutualism, क्या है ये? It's amensalism. ठीक है? लिंक करके पढ़ोगे तो बाकी भी चीजें याद रहेंगी आपको. ठीक है? So here note down that in fact mustard. Now see in your notes I left some space also for you people. Notes के नीचे आपकी जगह है क्या? Please write down there some of the cover crops which you can use. In fact, especially about the family to which mustard belongs. The species belonging to Brassicaceae family. This is one particular family. These are the family of plants. Plant kingdom में आता है ये. Such as mustard are effective as allelopathic cover crops. Allelopathic cover crops. These cover crops are known to release chemical compounds that suppress the growth and penetration of weeds. The penetration of weeds. Some of the cover crops are known to host specific soil biodiversity. Bracket में लिखिए, there might be some microbes or nematodes. That act as the biological weed suppression mechanism. See the roots of some crops. They are known now. They are also, if you see, in ecosystem is not just what we see here. It can be on a very atomic scale also. So every root branch, it's itself an ecosystem. It will be whole ecosystem supporting your diverse soil biodiversity also. And in the soil biodiversity, when we talk, it's not only microorganisms, the fungi, bacteria, but it will also encompass your detritivores. Apart from that, some of the worms are also part of that. If you see the soil, गाँव में कौन कौन रहता है? देखा होगा आप सबने, देखा है? तो वहाँ पे अगर सॉइल बायोडाइवर्सिटी ऑब्जर्व करो, इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू नोट दैट ठीक है. तो वहाँ पे if you see some of the worms, in fact about the nematodes, बायोलॉजी में अगर आपने पढ़ा है इस फैमिली के जो वर्म्स होते हैं मोस्टली दे टेंड टू बी पैरासाइटिक, बट सम ऑफ दीज, नॉट ऑल आर पैरासाइटिक, some of the nematodes they are known to be very effective in suppressing the growth of any other crop nearby where they are persisting. It means they will not allow the weeds to grow there. This is the reason that if we are able to incorporate such crops in our agriculture, it's naturally acting as your protection from those weeds. ठीक है? Is it clear? So this is your concept of the cover crops, and cover crops we integrate in which practice? अभी हम किसकी बात कर रहे थे? In mulching. So this is how mulching is helping in weed suppression also. Is it clear? Come back to the diagram. Yes. The third one, it's helping in conserving your water. Now this I am expecting that anyone from among you will be explaining me how it's conserving water.
Because ma'am it disconnect the layer with the sunray, क्योंकि जो sunray पड़ता है soil पे तो जो उसमें oil moisture content रहता है soil में ये पड़ने के बाद evaporate होके निकल जाएगा, but with mulching वो evaporate नहीं होता और conserve होते जाता है.
Very good. It means it is helping in reducing the evaporation, direct evaporation from the soil. And secondly, when all of these organic matter is there, in itself also it will be releasing its own moisture. And if we are using irrigation in the crop, that moisture will also be retained in this. For a long period of time, it's going to increase the water retention capacity of soil. In that way, it's preventing the soil to become compact. Because if soil becomes dry and compact, that will start releasing that stored organic carbon, and hence greenhouse gas emissions will be there. So it's helping in regulating that. And similar way, it's regulating the temperature also. By forming the layer, it's not allowing the direct rays to fall on the ground, rather it will be regulating the temperature. Okay? And the last one, of course, when we have any kind of barrier for the wind and water, so the action of that agent of weathering, it will be lesser. So hence we'll be able to conserve the soil fertility also. So this is how effective your mulching is. Okay? And in this way, this is also very essential component of your conservation agriculture, hence carbon farming. Is it clear?